Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, guys, do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on Telegram if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, because we're putting out some potential trade move that we will be expecting, which is absolutely free, right? If you are interested, all you just have to do is go to the comment section. You will find the link to our Telegram channel. Follow us on Telegram because we're putting out one or two things that you will be able to learn. Now, let's take a look at this GBP USD. First of all, we can take a look at this as the first higher highs. This is an higher lows right here. This is a new higher highs that took out this previous highs, and this is an higher lows. What you clearly can see here is a new higher highs. So an higher lows is playing out. Once the higher lows plays out finish, then a new higher highs will be formed. So currently an higher lows is literally playing out. If you have to go to the 1 hour time frame, so you will see it here, which I don't think it is over. Let's see it drop a bit. I don't expect it to drop much, by the way. Personally, I don't expect it. But if it drops much, then no problem. I don't expect it to drop much, probably at this level here, where the higher highs broke out from. So probably we should see it drop to test this level. Then we can now probably see it push up again. So GBP USD we will continue the movement to the upside. GBP USD is still bullish. Just a pullback is literally playing out. So once the pullback plays out finish, then look for a buy. We will be covering more on this on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.